In this video, I am going to show you how to remove episodes from your YouTube TV library to keep it organized. If your library is cluttered with recorded shows or downloaded episodes you no longer need, cleaning it up is simple. Start by logging in to your YouTube TV account on the app or website. Navigate to the Library tab, where you'll find sections like Recordings and Downloads. To remove a recorded episode, hover over it and click the three-dot menu icon, then select Remove from Recordings. This will delete the episode from your cloud DVR. If you've downloaded episodes for offline viewing, go to the Download section, tap the three-dot menu next to the episode, and choose Remove Download. Keep in mind that removing downloads only deletes the local file. It won't affect recordings stored in the cloud. If you want to stop recording future episodes of a series, go to Scheduled under the Library tab, find the series, and click Stop Recording Series. This prevents new episodes from being saved. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to remove episodes from your YouTube TV library, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.